Hi guys and girls, today I'm going to show you guys how to install MetaMask into Chrome. Okay, go to Google and type MetaMask Chrome extension, click the first result and click add to Chrome. Now click add extension. Okay, so here is the welcome screen of MetaMask. Click get started. If you already have a MetaMask extension or MetaMask wallet, you can import the previous one using this seed phase. There are 12 seed phases and we will talk about this later. Okay, so click create a wallet if you are new to this and click agree. Now type a password and click I have read and agree the terms. Don't forget to read this and click create. Okay, so you have to back up these secret phrases, otherwise you won't be able to log in again to this your account if you forget this. Okay, wheat variable nominee, wheat variable nominee, bridge certain quick, bridge certain quick, heap merge clock figure, heap merge clock figure, giraffe cut. Okay, confirm, all done. Okay, swapping on mobile is here. MetaMask mobile users can now swap tokens inside their mobile wallet using this QR code. Okay, so here's the MetaMask extension. You can see it here. Okay, here you can select networks from here. We will talk about this later, and you can use this address to send Ethereum to your MetaMask. You can go to your Binance or any wallet you are using or exchange and go to ETH. Let's find some ETH. Okay, Ethereum. Yes, Ethereum. Okay, and click withdraw, paste the address here and click submit and send Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet. So I hope you learn how to install MetaMask into Chrome. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will upload new videos on cryptocurrency in future. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.